It was in a boat like this that I went fishing with Stelios. I always felt I had become two people, the one who lived on the land and the other who went to sea. And it is easy to understand why this other me came to life out of sight of land, while the rhythms of the waves carried me along, and I could be going anywhere in a great sea without signposts. I was a working man casting and gathering the nets, or when separating the octopus and squid from the catch. But it was while standing at the bow this other me floated up, coming to the forefront like some new soul, staring into the white speckled waves that broke upon the blue water. Ahead of us, nothing but the vast distance to the horizon.